Good morning children. Welcome to the online class. Today I am going to teach you math subject. Children, see, open the term book page number 103 children of unit 1. In that 103, arrange the following in ascending order. Arrange the following in ascending order. Okay. From the small class you are learning from UKG and first class. What is ascending order and descending order? Tell me children, what is ascending order first of all? Yes, ascending order means small number to big number. What is ascending order? Small number to big number. So let's see. Ascending order. Children, here I am not writing the questions. I am only going to write the answers. You note it down in your term. So what they have given the question? 1956. You should not read 1956. Okay, you should not read 1956. You should read 1956. Why? Because ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Like that you have to count and then you have to read. So 1956, 6095. In hundreds place no number is there. That's why 695. 6491. 1965. So now first number what will come children, tell me? See, first question I will write for you. How you are going to write from that answers? I am going to write the first question and remaining all I am going to write only answers. Okay, now let's see. What is this? 1956, 6995, 6491 and 1961. Children, first of all what you should see, the first number in thousands place, what numbers are there that you have to see. In thousands place what number is there? So here what is there? 1661. What is there? 1661. This one and this one is common. 6 is common. Same numbers, right? So in this 6 is big or 1 is big? Yes, 6 is big. So we want small number because we are doing ascending order. So which is a small number? 1. In this both now we are going to see the second number. What is the second number in hundreds place? 9. Again both are same. Now we are going to see in tens place. Tens place what number is there? Here number is 5 and here is 6. Here what number is there? 5 and here is 6. In this 5 and 6, which is a small number children? 5 or 6? Yes, 5 is 6. So what is the meaning like this when you are saying 5 is 6? That's why this number will come first. Okay, this number will come first. Did you understand what did I say? First you have to see the first number. That means in thousands place. What number is there? In thousands place here 1, 6, 6, 1 is there. So in this both, which is a small number? 1. So 1 we have 2 numbers. So in this 2, now we will see in hundreds place what number is there? 9. Both are same. When if both are not same, then which is small number, that only you can take. But here both are same. So what you have to do? You have to see the tens number. So tens number here 5 and here 6 is big. So in this 5 and 6, which is big? 5 is big. So that number you have to write. So 1956. 5 after which number is big? Yes, 6. So this number we are going to write. 1965. If you see like this children, it will be very easy. The children, those who don't know the numbers also, they can write by seeing, observing like this. First number, then second number means thousands place number, hundreds place number. If you see, then you can write easily. Now this both over, right? 1, 1. Now this second numbers will see. 6, 6 both are same. Yes? 6, 6 same. Now see the in hundreds place which number is there? Here 0 is there and here 4 is there. So 0 is small or 4 is small? 0 is small. So when 0 is small, so this automatically this full number becomes small. So what will come? 6995. third number, that is in tens place. Okay. Now second one. See the second one. What they have given? 2079. What is that? 2079. 9720. 9072. 2980. Now let's see answers for this. As I told you, see the thousands place numbers. What is that in thousands place? What is there here? 2992. 2992. So in 2 is big or 9 is big? 9 is big and 2 is small. So let's see the 2 place. So here 2 and 2 is same. Now see in hundreds place. What is there? 0 and 9. So 0 is small or 9 is small? 0 is small. So this whole number becomes automatically small. So 2079. 2079. Then this number 2980. Why we written this number? Because here 9 is big than 2. That's why we have written 2980. Next 9. Both are same. See the second number in hundreds place. Here what is there? 7. Here is 0. So 7 is small or 0 is small? 0 is small. So 9072. So here remaining only one number, that is 9720. Have you understood how you have to write? Now next we will move on to descending order. Remaining 2 are there. You do it as your homework, children. First 2 sums I have explained. The remaining 2 sums you do as your homework, children. Next one, descending order. See next from and down only you are having descending order. See the first one. What is the first one? 4869, 6984, 8731, 1378. What is the meaning of descending order, children? Big number to small number. Big number to small number. Now let's see. Here also same process. Nothing is different. How in descending order we have done? Same way we can see. First in the thousands place. So here what is there? 4, 6, 8, 1. All numbers are different, right? 4, 6, 8, 1. So in this 4, 6, 8, 1, which number is small? Yes, 1 is small. So what will come? 1378. Next, we have written, so leave this number. 4, 6, 8. Which number is small? 4 is small. So 4869. Okay, now this 4. 6 and 8. Which number is small? 6. So 6984. Then 8731. So here what we have